And today we have a 1080p 128 gigabytes of storage body cam, and it does have night vision as well. And I have taken daytime footage and nighttime footage with this just to show you. Let's go ahead and point the camera down so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to show you how it works, and then we're going to show you the footage. Alright, so here it is. This is going to be a great little cam if you're in say law enforcement, security, if for traveling, if you're just jogging around the street and you want to have the extra protection of a camera. This will give that to you. You can see everything that you get here. You do have a little SIM card. You do have a little card removal tool right here. You will have a charge cord, USB to USB Type-C. This is an adapter to read your card. But if you remove this cap, you can see the USB right there. And then right here is where you would insert your little memory card, your little SD card, to plug into your computer to pull your videos and photos from that. Now if we take a closer look at the little camera itself, you can see this is the camera lens right in the front. You can see those 4 little infrared LEDs in the corners for the night vision. On the side right here, you can see you have your video mode, photo mode, and voice record mode. You have off and on. This is where your card goes in right there. If you switch it to this side, this is how you power it off and on. And then this is the 180 flip button, and then you have a reset button if you have to reset the whole thing. And what the flip button does is, you can see that there's a clip on it like this. So if it's hanging on your shirt like this, you can use it in normal mode. But if you clip it, say, off of your belt and it's upside down, well, then you can just hit the flip button and it will flip the camera 180 degrees. And then when you power it on, whatever mode it's in, it's going to automatically start recording. And then you can see if it's in 180 degree mode here, video mode, if the night vision is turned off or on, photo mode, voice record mode, and then your battery indicator. It's nice, small, and compact. And you can see that if you had this in your pocket, what do? The camera's facing the wrong way. Well, you can just swivel this over, and then since you swiveled that and the image is now upside down, you can always hit the 180 button and it will record your images right side up. You will get 5 hours of battery life with this while you're recording, but what I think we need to do now is let's go ahead and take a look at some of the footage. Alright, so here's footage from the body cam. This is broad daylight, of course. My arm is fully extended. I can't reach any further away, so it is kind of a tight field of view, I think. But if you were wearing it on your person, on your body, and it was like this, well, then you're going to capture a lot more, of course. This isn't a, it's not a selfie camera. It's a body cam to capture what's in front of you. So what we're going to do now is we'll come back tonight once it's dark and we'll test out the nighttime capabilities of this camera. Alright, so here we are outside, and this is with the night mode on. So you can see how it lights up my face. I am holding it at a full arm's length away, so you get an idea for how the camera is actually framed and the type of lens that it has. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around like I was wearing it. And this is what you would see if you were wearing it recording at night. We're going to go around the side of the house here where it's total darkness. And now we're in the total pitch black, and this will give you an idea of what to expect at night from this little body cam. So as you can see, this little body cam is nice and compact. It's really cool that it can see in the dark, basically turning nighttime into daytime. You can get some nice clear images during the day. This is going to be very useful for helping to protect yourself in situations, whether you're a security guard, a police officer, you were going to class. I wouldn't suggest using the video. You could use the voice recorder, but there's more than a dozen uses for this little body cam. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.